Hello, wonderful viewers. My name is Stephen Mensah, a graduate student of the University of Ghana. I come to you once again with rich academic content to help you go about your research activities. As part of the many videos that I have uploaded on YouTube to assist you have a certain level of convenience going about your academic work, I add this one, and this one is going to talk about how to check for plagiarism using the Turnitin software in the Sakai. So this is actually going to help University of Ghana students to check for plagiarism report before they actually send their work or send their research materials or research assignments to their supervisors to go through, or even to their lecturers to go through. It helps you, it gives you the confidence level to submit your work at a certain level of degree, that you know that this work has been paraphrased and summarized or quoted correctly. So let's quickly set the ball rolling and go straight to the point for this session. So as a University of Ghana student, you have the opportunity to access your materials on Sakai. And if you've not heard of Sakai, and then this video is the first point to introduce you to Sakai. So you go to the Google link, which we have already here, or you can even use the button over here to search for it. So for me, mostly I go straight to the point by typing in UG Sakai. Then you press on enter, so it will load. When it loads, you are going to see an interface like this. So you have Sakai gateway, welcome. So you click on it like this and you wait for it to load. As it does, it will take you to another interface where you have username here and password here, then you have login here. So as a University of Ghana student, the system has already added you to the Sakai platform. So you come to your user ID and you type in your index number, as I have done. Because I'm a student of the University of Ghana, this has already been captured, and because I also often goes to the Sakai platform. So this is my student ID, and here you enter your 5-digit pin. Every University of Ghana student has a 5-digit pin, so you also type in it over here into your password. Then you go to login. So you click on login and you wait for the system to load. When it does, you're going to have an interface like this. So you have your home, you have your overview here, you have your profile, membership, calendar, resources, announcements, websites, preferences, trusted applications, account. Now for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on Turnitin. That is the essence of this video. Other videos will come to talk about other sessions of our academic life. So for now, let's focus on this one. So when you click on the login and it takes you to this interface, this video is actually leading us to how to register for the Turnitin platform. Then we will look at how to also check for plagiarism. So if you come to the system, you have what you call here membership. If you have not registered for the Sakai for the Turnitin system, you have to go to membership. So you click on membership. So for the Sakai system, I've already said that immediately you register for a course, the system automatically picks your details. So you don't need to register for Sakai differently from your academic registration. No. When you register for a course online on the MIS web, the system actually registers you for Sakai automatically. So when you go to membership, this membership that you've seen here highlighted in yellow, you have seen membership over there, this one. So when you go to membership and you click on it, this interface comes. So you have membership here, my current site, which is all the site that you've joined on Sakai earlier on. This is my official course enrollment, and this is joinable site. For the purpose of registering for Sakai, our interest is on joinable site. So you go to joinable site, then you click on it and wait for it to load. when it does, there is a lot of website over here. So this is for different purposes on Sakai. Because I have already registered for the Turnitin system, that option is not here. But I will show you one thing. At this place, and as part of this site, you are going to see what we call RCOM. RCOM. I'll show you the full spelling later. RCOM. When you see RCOM over here, you go to join now. When you see RCOM here, you go to join now. Immediately you join now onto the RCOM platform. It means that you have registered on how to check plagiarism using the Turnitin system in Sakai. So RCOM will mostly be here. So when you say it, for example, here we have the GSPH whatever. You come to join now. It means that when you join now, you join this website. This is not our interest anyway. This is UGBS 104 semester 2 and all that. So this becomes, I think it's a course platform. Now, because RCOM is not here, I'm not saying it will not be there, but because I have already joined as a student, you are not seeing it here. So that is basically how you register for the Turnitin platform on Sakai. So you mostly find RCOM over here. When you see RCOM here, you go to join now. You have the system there. Try it. When you have any issues, any challenges, you drop it as a comment on the video. I'm going to address them, but you will mostly see RCOM here. Then you go to join now. When you join now, then you are free to check for your plagiarism henceforth. I hope everybody is okay. If you have any issue, let me know it through the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe and there is any further videos on how to go about it, then you are going to automatically get a notification for you to access. The next session of this video, which is the part 2 of this video, will lead us into how to insert in your Word document for the system to check for plagiarism for you. Kindly subscribe. Let's do this. Let's keep on doing this. Let more students join, and everybody will be okay. Thank you so much. Okay, wonderful viewers. As I promised in the previous video on how to check for plagiarism in the Turnitin platform on Sakai, I am back with a follow-up video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for plagiarism. The first one was on how to register for the RCOM platform so that you can be able to check for plagiarism. So we already have our Sakai interface, which every University of Ghana student is able to access it. So over here, as I have shown in the other video, you enter your index number or the student ID and your password over here, then you go to login. So you wait for the system to load and take you into the Sakai platform. When it does, you will see that the RCOM that we registered for in the previous video appears as part of our courses. So we will look for RCOM over here. So here you can see the RCOM, and as part of other courses that I have enrolled for, you see that RCOM will appear up here. So in the previous video, because we registered for it, it will not be part of the membership anymore, but it will be part of the courses that we have registered for or we have taken. Then when you see it, so this is the RCOM I'm talking about. So RCOM 100, 1, S1, 21, 22. So you click on it to give you the RCOM interface. So when you click on it, you're going to have these items for the RCOM. You're going to have overview, announcements, assignment, chat room, email, site info, help. So what you have to do is to click on assignment. This is assignment for you because you want to check for your plagiarism. You click on assignment. Also, over here you can see Turnitin status, which is operational. So it means that Turnitin is working. So you can proceed and upload your Word document for the plagiarism checker. So you click on assignment so that you'll be able to submit your work. Whenever you go to the Sakai interface, check for the current plagiarism software or the updated plagiarism software. So if you look at this one like this, it was uploaded on March 15, 2022, and it ended on March 31st, 2022. But the current one was uploaded March 31st, 2022, which is about 4 days ago, because today is April 4th, so 4 days ago. And this one ends on April 15, 2022. So whenever you don't have an updated Turnitin software, you'll not be able to check for your assignment. So always check if the version is current so that you'll be able to turn your Word document or your assignments in so that you can check for plagiarism. So because this is a current version that we can use, then you click on it and wait for it to open. When it does, you will see it says that assignment in progress. So you see title, plagiarism checker, April 1 to 15, and all this detail describing it. But the most important thing is for you to submit your assignment for it to be checked. So when you do, you will go to this section. It says that choose file, choose file, choose file. So you click on choose file, then you will try to locate wherever that you have saved your Word document. Maybe if it's in document, you click on document. If it's on desktop, you click on desktop and you go for the right document and you select so that it will be loaded here. When you do, it will be loaded here anyway, and you proceed with it. Immediately you click on proceed, the system will pick your Word document. Then the status bar here will show in progress. So when it shows in progress over here, when you turn it in your assignment, it takes time for the system to give you a feedback. Maybe sometime, it depends on the on the load the system is having at that time, or on the traffic the system is having at that time. I mean, 15 to 20 minutes, it should be okay for your assignment to be returned. If not, it will eventually be returned to you. The system will never keep your assignment. It will come back to you. So you see it in this status bar in progress. So you wait for it to be submitted to Turnitin. Then the submitted button will also be highlighted, and when it is returned, it will also be highlighted. So when it is returned, you are going to see it over here, Turnitin report. Then you will see a symbol indicating that the assignment has been returned. Even if before it goes, also you will see it here that it has been submitted. So you keep around it and wait for it to go and come so you can see your score. I mean, I think that if you want to know your correct score, I think that your Turnitin report shouldn't be more than 20%. I mean, there should be a similarity index less than 20%. You don't have to have more than 20% for similarity index, which means that you have copied extensively. So I mean, something below 20% should be okay for you to present to your lecturer or your supervisor. You don't need to have a report of 1%. I mean, if you do, it's good for you, it's a plus, but 20 and below should be okay for every student. That is how you check for your assignment in Turnitin. I hope this video helps a lot. Kindly do not forget to subscribe. Please, let's do this. Let's get as many of our colleagues to subscribe to the channel and have insightful videos as we are putting out there. so that our academic life on campus will be easier. I mean, the stress is too much. Let's do this. Let's get it done. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.